Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm starting off on stretched hair. I had my hair in some braids and I took them down. So I'm just parting off my sideburns, you know, so I can do my little curly cues later on. And then I'm literally going to split my hair in half because I want my hair to be really sleek. And I find when I do low ponytails, if I just slick all my hair back together, it doesn't get as sleek as I would like it to. So I'm just going to split my hair in half today. And then I'm just going to clip the first section away. And then I'm literally just going to take this Y2 comb and comb through my hair. Make sure there isn't any tangles or anything like that. I'm going to be using the Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel. And this is just what it looks like. I do have a full review on it. If you want to see it, it will be linked in the description box below. So I'm just wetting my hair a bit, and I'm going to use a generous amount of the gel, y'all. This gel slicks down your hair so easy, and it holds amazing. So I'm just gonna slick the gel through my head, and then, you know, with my hands, and then use my brush. So you don't want to slick your hair back too far down because we are doing a halo braid. So you want to position it in the right spot. So just don't put it all the way to the bottom. And as you guys can see, I'm just like gelling up the back portion of my hair as well. You know, my kitchen, that's what we like to call it. And then I'm going to gather the hair and put it into a ponytail. As you can see, the back portion is super sleek. So now we're going to move into the front portion, and I'm literally going to do the same thing. Now normally I will comb my baby hairs down, but I had already had my baby hairs done that day, so I just left them. But make sure you guys don't lay your baby hairs down with this gel. I mean, you can if you want to, but I just wouldn't because it's such a strong hold, honestly. So I wouldn't recommend you doing that. Just use your edge control on your edges if you do lay your edges down. And when you're slicking your hair back, just comb your edges out the way. So as you guys can see, my hair is getting super sleek how I wanted it to, because, you know, the front section of my hair is a bit shorter. So I'm doing it this way so that it can flow and smooth back all together and not look lumpy or bumpy. So this method definitely did work for me. So I'm just smoothing the hair back, and I'm kind of moving quickly. This gel actually dries kind of fast, so you want to move quickly because it will start to dry up on you. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put my scarf on. Now you can proceed to go ahead and finish your style, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to sleep with my hair like this overnight so that it really sets in, because I want my hair to be super sleek. And make sure you pull your scarf in the back tightly so that everything stays down. And yeah, so this is the hair that I will be using. It is a 3-pack, but you can buy the 1-pack if you would like. And I'm only going to be using one of the bundles of hair in the pack. The band wasn't sturdy, so I cut it off, and I'm just going to apply this thin ponytail holder and loop it through. And then I'm literally going to spray some Got To Be Glue Free spray just to, you know, tame the frizz. And I'm going to rake that through the hair because this is caniculon hair, and you know it gets really frizzy sometimes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a braid. Now you can use however much hair you would like or however little hair you would like. It's all up to you. I felt like this was enough hair for my head. I have a really small head and I didn't want my braid to be too big, but you know, to each his own. Once I was finished, I did tie the end with a rubber band, y'all, and then I just went back and sprayed some more freeze spray on the braid so that it wouldn't get frizzy. And so now I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs down. I did use some Eco Styler gel, and then I went back in with the edge booster pomade, like the edge control or whatever, just to lay them down. And I like to do this before I do my makeup, because normally when I do my baby hair before my makeup, y'all, my makeup gets all of my baby hairs and they don't turn out how I like them. So that's just a tip for you guys. But you know, this is optional. You can comb your baby hair straight back. It's just all in up to you and what you would like to do. Alright, so I'm just going to take some edge control and I'm literally just going to curl up my curly cues and twist them around my finger. That's how I like to get mine curly. I did part out more than normal so that they would stand out, you know, with the halo braid. So as you guys can see, my hair got super sleek. There's no lumps or anything, which I'm so happy about. And I'm just going to take some oil sheen and spray it on my hair, because gel has a tendency to make your hair look really dull. And so I'm just going to take the braid and I'm going to attach it by the hair tie to my little bun at the back. And I'm going to make sure I have it on there really good, y'all. Make sure the braid is hanging, like going to the side, not hanging down. And then I'm just pinning it in place with some open bobby pins. But you want it to cover your bun, because you do not want your bun to show at all. So make sure you guys just position it properly. And then I'm going to swing the braid around the front portion of my hair, as you guys can see here. And I'm going to cross it over the bun and put it underneath the braid so you cannot see the end of the braid. So this is how I went about doing mine. And then I just pinned it into place so it stays connected to your bun. Now you can put some pins on the side if you would like, but I didn't. I sprayed it with some more freeze spray and it is all done. I love this style so much. I think it's so cute, and that's the color that I still have on the back of my head. You can use Marley hair if you would like, it's up to you, but I thought this looked really, really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this halo tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!